Hi guys, welcome to Avery's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare this delicious butternut and coconut curry. So firstly I'm going to wash the butternut and then I'm going to go ahead and dry that up with a kitchen towel. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut and peel the butternut. I know some people like to poke holes in it and pop it in the microwave, but honestly all you need is a very sharp knife and you can tackle this bad boy of a vegetable in minutes, literally. Now we're going to start building the base for our curry, starting off with a tablespoon of coconut oil. Then we're going to heat this up in a medium to high heat and fry the onion. Now I'm adding 3 cloves of chopped garlic and a tablespoon of chopped ginger. Now I'm adding 3 teaspoons of mild curry powder. Then I'm going to go ahead and cook that for a minute or so and add the butternut. Add 150 grams of baby plum tomatoes and then follow that up with 400 ml of coconut milk. Season to taste with some salt and allow your curry to simmer on a low to medium heat for 20 minutes or until the butternut is nice and soft. After 20 minutes, add some chopped coriander to your curry and allow this to cook for a minute or two and it's ready to serve. You can serve your butternut and coconut curry with some naan bread, or you can serve it with a side of rice. If you do get to try this recipe, I would love to see your pictures, so make sure you drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to check them out. For more delicious recipes, please follow Avery's Kitchen.